Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting sounds V and Z. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the V sound in the word veal. Veal, veal. Now the Z sound in the word zeal. Zeal, zeal. Now I will use them both in a sentence. He ate the veal with zeal. He ate the veal with zeal. He ate the veal with zeal. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.